हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड और ऑसम, है ना? तो पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है बच्चों की? बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास, वेरी गुड। सो आज पढ़ लेते हैं हम किसके बारे में बच्चों? वर्ब्स के बारे में और फॉर्म्स के बारे में। So we are going to discussing about the forms of verbs. Verbs are divided into two forms: strong verbs, weak verbs. So strong verbs are those which form their past tense by changing the vowel on the present tense of the verb without adding ed, d or t to the present. Example: become, became, become; get, got, gotten; speak, spoke, spoken. वीक वर्ब्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं बच्चे। वीक वर्ब्स आर दोज विच फॉर्म देयर पास्ट टेंस बाय एडिंग ed, d or t to the present tense of the word without changing any vowel of the present tense of the verb. Example: ask, asked, asked; lend, lent, lent; spoil, spoiled, spoiled. लिस्ट ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ब्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं बच्चे। Three forms of strong verbs. Look carefully at the three forms of strong verbs: present, past, past participle. So present: arise, arose, arisen; awake, awoke, awoken; bear, bore, born; bear, bore, born. आप देख रहे होंगे बच्चे, यहाँ पर दो बियर दिए हुए हैं लेकिन उनका मीनिंग बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है। एक बियर का मीन्स क्या होता है? प्रोड्यूस करना। दूसरा बियर होता है कैरी करना। ओके, सो स्पेलिंग वुड बी सेम: बीट, बीट, बीटन; बिकम, बिकेम, बिकम; बिगिन, बिगेन, बिगन; behold, beheld, beheld; bid, bid, bidden; bid, bid, bid; bind, bound, bound; bite, bit, bitten; blow, blew, blown; break, broke, broken; choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come; cling, clung, clung; dig, dug, dug; do, did, done; draw, drew, drawn; drink, drank, drunk; drive, drove, driven; eat, ate, eaten; fight, fought, fought; find, found, found; fling, flung, flung; fly, flew, flown; forget, forgot, forgotten; forsake, forsook, forsaken; freeze, froze, frozen; get, got, got; give, gave, given; go, went, gone; grind, ground, ground; grow, grew, grown; hang, hung, hung; hide, hid, hidden; hold, held, held; know, knew, known; lie, lay, lain; mistake, mistook, mistaken; overcome, overcame, overcome; ride, rode, ridden; rise, rose, risen; ring, rang, rung; run, ran, run; see, saw, seen; shake, shook, shaken; shine, shone, shone; shrink, shrank, shrunk; sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk; sit, sat, sat; slay, slew, slain; slide, slid, slid; sling, slunk, slunk; smite, smote, smitten; speak, spoke, spoken; spin, span, spun, spun; spit, spat, spat; spring, sprang, sprang; stand, stood, stood; steal, stole, stolen; stick, struck, struck; sting, stung, stung; strike, struck, struck; string, strung, strung; strive, strove, striven; swear, swore, sworn; swim, swam, swum; swing, swung, swung; take, took, taken; tear, tore, torn; thrive, throw, thrived, thriven; throw, threw, thrown; thread, throwed, trodden; unbind, unbound, unbound; understand, understood, understood; wake, woke, waked, woken, wigged. Wear, wore, worn. Weave, wove, woven. Win, won, won. Wind, wound, wound. Ring, rung, rung. Write, wrote, written. List of weak verbs. Look carefully at 3 forms of weak verbs. Ask, asked, asked. Bend, bent, bent. Beseech, besought, besought. Bleed, bled, bled. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Cloth, clothed, clothed. Creep, crapped, crapped. Curse, cursed, cursed. Dare, dared, dared. Deal, dealt, dealt. Deceive, deceived, deceived. Die, died, died. Dream, dreamt, dreamed, dreamt, dreamed. Dwell, dwelt, dwelt. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Flee, fled, fled. Flow, flued, flued. Has, have, had, had. Hang, hanged, hanged. Hear, heard, heard. Keep, kept, kept. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, learnt, learnt. Leaned, leant. Leap, lapped, labed, labbed, labbed. Learn, learnt, learned. Learnt, learned. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Light, lit, lightened, lit, lightened. Lie, lied, lied. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Mean, mint, mint. Meet, met, met. Melt, melted, melted. Pay, paid, paid. Prove, proved, proved. Raise, raised, raised. Rent, rent, rent. Say, said, said. Seek, sought, sought. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Sue, sued, sued. या soon भी बोल सकते हैं बच्चे इसको. Shave, shaved, shaven. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Sleep, slept, slept. Smell, smelled, smelled. या फिर आप smelt, smelt भी बोल सकते हैं सेकेंड और थर्ड में. Saw, sawed, sawed. Speed, spad, speeded, spad, speeded. Spanned, spent, spent. Spill, spilt, spilled, spilt, spilled. Sweep, swept, swabbed. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Travel, travelled, travelled. Weep, wept, wept. Wet, wetted, wetted. Work, worked, worked. There are some verbs that remain unchanged in all the 3 forms. So, verbs that do not change. So, let's read. Bet, bet, bet. Burst, burst, burst. Cast, cast, cast. Coast, coast, coast. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Write, read, read. Set, set, set. Shed, shed, shed. Shut, shut, shut. Split, split, split. Spread, spread, spread. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Thirst, thirst, thirst. Upset, upset, upset. So, extra facts. Verbs of incomplete predictions do not make complete sense. These verbs require some words or words after them for this purpose, such as is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be, appear, seem, look, become, etc. The simple past of the sum of the irregular verbs does not change. तो आपने देखा बच्चों यहाँ पर वर्ब्स के बारे में किस तरह से हमारी जो वर्ब्स थी वो हमने थर्ड कैटेगराइज में या थर्ड पार्ट्स में डिवाइड की गई है और वहाँ पर कैसे कैसे उनको कोई अनचेंज्ड है, कोई चेंज है, कहाँ पर ईडी लगाना है और कहाँ पर सेम रहेगी. तो यहाँ पर देखते रहेंगे और वर्ब्स की प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे. Okay, thank you student, thank you for watching.